I've been getting a lot of questions about my skincare routine. Just kidding, we're going to talk about taxes. Just to level set, I'm not going to be doing a line by line comparison between the US and the Netherlands, but I do want to say if you are trying to do some sort of a comparison between the two, don't just look at the income tax in one country and the income tax in the other and then make the comparison from there. You need to look at all of the taxes you're paying: sales tax, property tax, luxury tax, gas tax, in both countries. And you also want to include any benefits you get for paying taxes in one country versus the other, and what the cost is for not having those benefits in the other country, and include that in the comparison. A clear example for that is going to be healthcare. Obviously, if it's subsidized in one country and it's not in the other, then the cost of your healthcare in that other country should be taken into account as part of the evaluation that you're going to do. What I do want to talk about today is just the general opinion of taxes between people in both. Obviously, there's millions of people in both countries, and so not everyone is going to have the same opinion about taxes. In the United States, most people see taxes as something that you work really hard to get all of your money, and then the government comes and takes a giant scoop of that and walks away into the sunset, and you never see it again. It's a really negative outlook on taxes in general. And the reason we think that is because that's mostly true. When you pay your taxes in the United States, those taxes don't go towards programs and things that benefit the average person. In the Netherlands, I've been told historically there's been a lot more friendly relationship with taxes. I'm not going to say everyone loves paying taxes. I don't think that's the truth, but you do see, as an average citizen walking around, benefits from the taxes that you are paying. In the last 20 years, that perspective has been shifting from what I can tell, and people do not have as positive of an outlook on paying taxes because the government that has been in charge has been reallocating how those taxes go, and they're unfortunately making it look more and more like the United States. But it's very novel for an American to think of taxes as something that benefits you. And I think that's a lot more common in the Netherlands and other countries, that at least to some degree, you do see some benefit from paying taxes, where the main benefit for paying taxes in the United States is just to not get in trouble and not have your wages garnished or you go to jail. So if you are an American looking to move outside the United States, just be aware as you're making these tax comparisons of some of the benefits that come with paying taxes in other countries that you might not be getting in the United States.